Hi, we're working on grade 3 module 4 or area. Today our page is finding the area of irregular rectangles using squares input page. That's a long title, but I think that you'll find this is pretty easy, back to even our first lesson. Okay, let's look at our sentences. A rectangle is a shape with blank angles, with right angles. Did you know that rect in Latin or Greek means right? So that's why we call it a rectangle, because it has right angles. Those are angles that look like an L or the corner of a page. It's 90 degrees. It's right. Okay, so rectangles are a shape with right angles, not necessarily 4 sides. We have irregular rectangles that have more than 4 sides. Irregular rectangles do not have 4 sides. Okay, that's the sentence we're looking at right now. Irregular rectangles do not have 4 sides. We can still find the area of irregular rectangles by counting. So if it's made up of squares, we can count them. It doesn't matter what shape they're in. All right, let's start out with this shape that looks like an L. We just got to count. I'm going to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 squares. Okay, now we've got another one. It kind of looks like a U. I'm going to count this one by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 squares. Okay, let's look at the next sentence. You can't blank to find the area of an irregular rectangle. You can't multiply, right? It doesn't work. There are pieces missing. It's not an array anymore. So you can't multiply to find the area of an irregular rectangle. To find the area without counting squares, you have to break the rectangle into smaller, because it might not always be 2, into smaller. So you can't multiply to find the area of irregular rectangles. To find an area without counting squares, you have to break the rectangle into smaller parts. We have one more that we can use counting here. I'm going to count by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 squares. All right, so all we're doing today is finding the area of these irregular rectangles by counting. As we have noted here, you can't find the area by multiplying, but you can find it by breaking it into smaller parts, and that's what we're going to tackle tomorrow. But for now, it's time to count some squares on your output page. I'll see you next time.